Sadiq is here. Today I've chosen a vocabulary lesson. I've decided to teach you 5 verbs that I extracted from the book called Verbal Advantage. So this book is written and narrated by Dr. Charles Harrington Elster, and the purpose of this video is simply to fascinate you to read and listen the original book, Verbal Advantage. Okay, so let's get to the lesson. The first verb is to advocate, which means to publicly support a particular way of doing something. Here we have the synonyms of the verb advocate. The first one, champion, simply support, endorse, and espouse. I've also brought 2 examples with each set of verbs. So, many experts strongly advocate investing in education and healthcare as long-term strategies to prevent social conflict and instability. The second example is the scientist continues to advocate for stricter environmental regulations, arguing that immediate action is essential to avoid irreversible damage. The second verb, recur, simply means if something recurs, it happens again and again over time. So here we have another verb which means reoccur, and it is sometimes mistakenly used instead of recur. See, these verbs, they have a similar meaning, but they are not interchangeable. We should not use them instead of each other. If something recurs, it happens more than once. But if something reoccur, it just happens one more time, just once. All right, so let's look at the examples. If diplomatic efforts fail, the same patterns of violence may recur, creating a cycle of conflict that becomes increasingly difficult to break. The second example, the historian noted that economic tensions tend to recur throughout the region's past, often leading to political unrest. And another bonus for you is that never say recur again. Here, the word again is redundant because recur, as we know that means to happen again. We have the word again inside this verb. So it is redundant to say recur again. The third word, sanction, we know that sanction is a noun, but here is a verb, which means to officially accept or allow something. Synonyms would be allow, certify, ratify, and authorize. The international organization decided to sanction the government after it repeatedly violated the terms of the peace agreement, freezing its assets and restricting trade. The second one, although the committee did not officially sanction the research project, several members expressed informal support for its innovative approach. All right. Number 4, the verb mollify means to make someone feel less angry or upset about something. Synonyms would be appease, placate, soothe, and pacify. The leader attempted to mollify public anger by promising immediate reforms, but many citizens remained unconvinced. To mollify the negotiating parties, The mediator offered a revised proposal that addressed their main concerns without favoring either side. And the last word here, the last verb, to expunge, which means to remove completely, usually something unwanted or unpleasant. Synonyms: remove, delete, wipe out, efface, obliterate, and eradicate. The Commission sought to expunge all inaccurate statements from the final report to ensure its credibility and integrity. The last example. Despite his efforts to expunge the memory of the conflict, certain moments continued to resurface in his thoughts. Thank you so much for staying with me. Until next time, I wish you all peace.